In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an imported bank statement in Xero. First, make sure you're logged into the Xero accounting software. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Xero login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub for all things Xero, giving you an overview of your business's financials, and from here we'll continue to the next steps. Now let's navigate to the accounting section. You'll find this option in the main menu. Clicking on accounting will present you with a menu where you'll need to select bank accounts. This will take you to a list of all your linked bank accounts. From the list, choose the specific bank account from which you want to delete an imported statement. This part is crucial, as ensuring you're deleting the statement from the correct account will prevent any unintended errors. Once you're in the correct bank account section, look for the Manage Account button. Clicking it will reveal more options, one of which is Bank Statements. Select this to see all the imported statements. We're moving towards the exact statement you want to delete, so the next step is essential. You'll need to click on Showing Statement Lines followed by selecting Statements. This action will list all the statements associated with your account, giving you a clear view of all your options. The next thing you want to do is to find the specific statement you wish to delete. Once you've located it, simply click on it. This will take you to a detailed view of the statement. At this point, you'll see an option to select all, which you should click if you want to delete the entire statement. Be very sure at this phase that you indeed want to remove the statement, as this action is permanent. With the items selected, it's time to actually delete them. You'll find a delete button within this interface. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. Xero will ask for confirmation by prompting you with a yes or no question. Clicking yes will finalize the deletion of the selected statement. It's important to take this step seriously to ensure that your intentions are accurately carried out. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted an imported bank statement in Xero. It's always a good practice to double check your accounts after making such changes to ensure everything aligns with your records. I hope you found this guide helpful, and remember, keeping your financial records organized is a key part of effective business management. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.